Today, we'll be taking a look at the door handle on this Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. To begin, let's go ahead and open the door here. And the handle we are looking at is on the door with the door-and-door functionality. So you have a little lever on here. You can press it. It will separate the two doors. And then if it is closed, you can go in here and access your drinks. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing this door handle would be if this is damaged, or it could be something cosmetically where it has some scratches on it and it needs to be replaced. In order to replace it, we're going to grab our supplied Allen wrench, and then at the top we have a little set screw. I just want you to go out just far enough to separate the stud there. Press in on the handle to open the door. Now when you are removing it, you'll lift off, press in on the handle actuator and lift up on the handle. And then you're going to have to kind of wiggle it off here. The stud on the bottom can be a little tricky. Lift it up there, separate it, and set it to the side. When installing your new handle, first we are going to slide down on the bottom. So there's a spot you can put the stud in, slide down, and then insert the hook. Line up the top, press in when you're installing your set screw. We'll close the door, make sure the hook is going to work, and that will complete our repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.